Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the DARKROCK EC2 Black ATX mid-tower PC case, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This case is designed with both aesthetics and performance in mind, making it an excellent choice for PC builders looking for a balance between style, cooling, and compatibility. The DARKROCK EC2 features a meshed front panel that significantly improves airflow, ensuring your components stay cool even during intense gaming or heavy workloads. Complementing this is a tempered glass side panel that not only allows you to showcase your build, but also adds a sleek, modern look to your setup. For those who prioritize connectivity, the case is Type-C ready, offering the latest USB-C port for fast data transfer and convenient peripheral connections. Cooling options are plentiful with support for up to 8 120mm fans and a 360mm radiator at the front, providing ample room for custom cooling solutions. It comes with one pre-installed fan to get you started right away. Magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom help keep the interior clean and dust-free, extending the longevity of your components. In terms of compatibility, the DARKROCK EC2 supports ATX, micro ATX, and IDX motherboards, and can accommodate powerful 50 series graphics cards up to 340mm in length, as well as PSUs up to 200mm. This makes it a versatile option whether you're building a high-end gaming rig or a professional workstation. Pros: excellent airflow with meshed front panel and support for multiple fans and radiators. Stylish tempered glass side panel for showcasing hardware. Type-C ready for modern connectivity. Magnetic dust filters for easy maintenance and cleaner interior. Wide compatibility with large GPUs and various motherboard sizes. Cons: only one pre-installed fan included, so additional fans may need to be purchased separately. PSU length support capped at 200mm, which might limit some high-capacity power supplies. Overall, the DARKROCK EC2 Black ATX mid-tower PC case offers a compelling combination of style, cooling potential, and modern features, making it a strong contender for your next PC build. Don't forget, the link to grab this case at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment for your convenience. Check it out and upgrade your setup today.